Hello friends, I am Dr. R.D. Solanki from Mosantrav Naik Art, Science and Commerce College, Shahada. Today we have to study the new chapter solution. In last chapter, that is qualitative properties, we have discussed about introduction, solubility, lowering of vapor pressure. Then there are different qualitative properties we have already studied. So now here in this chapter we have to study how solution is formed, what are the types of solutions. So we are going to study here first introduction. So when two non-reacting substances are mixed, then there is a formation of solution. There are three types of mixtures. First is coarse mixture. It is formed by mixing two coarse substances, that is two solid substances, which can be separated by mechanical operation. For example, a mixture of sugar and salt. The second type of mixture is colloidal dispersion. It is formed by mixing fine substances in water. The constituents of the solution cannot be separated by filtration, setting or centrifugation. For example, fine clay shaken with water or starch shaken with water. So here the mixture is formed colloidal mixture, we cannot be separate. Third type is true solution. So it is the homogeneous mixture formed by mixing two or more substances. It cannot be separated from each other by mechanical operation. For example, sugar in water. So when the solution is formed of sugar in water, it is homogeneous mixture, solution is formed. Now here the substance which dissolved is called as solute, while the medium in which substance is forming solution, that is called as solvent. So that medium is called as solvent and the substance which dissolved is called as solute. This is in case of solid and liquid substances. But in case of liquid type of solution, so there is both are solute and solvents are liquid, then there is the solute is formed, or the solute which is in presence in less amount called as solute, and the substance which is present in large amount is called as solvent. So here the amount of substance takes place main role. So the substance which is in less amount called as solute, and the substance which is present in large amount is known as solvent. For example, 1 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 ml of water forms solution. So here NaCl is solute and water is solvent. In another case, when there are both the liquids, consider a solution of alcohol in water. So the substance present in large excess called as solvent, and the substance present in less proportion is called as solute. So they are extremely important in chemistry because they allow intimate and varied encounters between the molecules of different kinds of conditions essential for rapid chemical reaction. So in this way, here this is the introduction of the solution. There are, friends, after introduction, the next topic of this chapter is solubility. So first we have to know that what is solubility. It is the maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in a given volume or a given weight of solvent at a given temperature. It is known as solubility. Now, the solubility depends on following factors, that is the factors affecting the solubility. So, solubility is affected by following factors like pressure, temperature and nature of solute and solvent. So, these are the three factors on which solubility increases or decreases. So, first is pressure. Now, here if there is a negligible effect of a pressure on a solubility of a solid and liquid. So, in case of solid and liquid, the pressure effect is negligible. But in case of liquids, the pressure affects only solubility of gases in liquids and liquids in gases. In case of gases, solubility increases with increase in pressure. So as the pressure increases, solubility increases. So here the first effect of pressure is on gases system. Second factor affecting solubility is the temperature. In case of gases, the solubility decreases with increase in temperature, while in case of solutions of solid in liquids or liquid in liquid, the solubility increases with increase in temperature. In the exothermic reactions, that is heat is evolved, the solubility decreases with increase in temperature. This can be explained by heat of solution. And on the other hand, if during the dissolution of substance heat is absorbed by the system, that is the endothermic reaction, then the solubility increases with increase in temperature. For example, when KNO3 is added to water, it is endothermic reaction. So in this way, solubility depends on temperature. Now, the third and last factor which affect is the structural effect, that is nature of solute and solvent. The substances which are similar in nature can dissolve easily into each other. Here the solubility depends on polar and non-polar molecules. So polar dissolves in polar and non-polar dissolves in non-polar. That is the like dissolves like. For example, naphthalene dissolves in benzene because both are the non-polar. Sugar dissolves in water, both are the polars. So here non-polar dissolves in non-polar and polar dissolves in polar. While sugar not dissolves in oil or benzene because sugar is polar and the benzene is non-polar or non-ionic. So in this way, these are the factors which affect solubility of the solutions. Dear friends, after introduction, then factors affecting the solubility, the third topic of this chapter is the types of solutions. So in binary solutions, there are two types of components are present, that is solute and solvent. There are 9 types of solutions. Here there are 9 types of solutions. So first pair is solid, solid. So this is solid, solid. Solute is solid and solvent is solid. So this, for this example is alloys. So different types of metal mixed together and forming alloys. For example, copper in gold. Then second type is solid, liquid. Solute is solid, liquid is solvent. For example, salt in water or sugar in water. So this is the second type. In third type, solid gas, that is solute is solid and gas is solvent. That is example is sublimation of camphor in air. So when the solid substance like naphthalene or camphor is placed in free air, it is directly converted to gas. So this is the solid gas type of solution. Fourth type is liquid solid. So here liquid solid, solute is liquid and solvent is solid. For example, amalgam of Hg with metal. So here amalgamation, in case of electrodes, the activity of the metal is reduced by amalgamation. There is coating of mercury. Then fifth type is liquid. So solute is liquid and solvent is also liquid. Example for this is alcohol in water. So both are the liquids. Sixth type is liquid gas. So here solute is liquid and solvent is gas. For example, moisture in air. So in case of rainy season, we will see the moisture in air. Seventh type is gas solid. Solute is gas and solid is liquid. So hydrogen gas dissolved in palladium. So for the hydrogenation reaction in organic chemistry, so H2 palladium is used. It is of the type gas solid. Eighth type is gas liquid, solute gas and solvent liquid. That is the, in case of cold drinks, the soda water, cold drinks, these are the of this type. And last type is gas. Here both are the solute as well as solvent are gases. For example, mixture of air which contains N2, O2, Cl2, Br2, CO2, SO3. These are the all the gases are mixed together. It gives the mixture of gas in gas.